Dear students, in this section we will discuss course objective and course outcome of application of microprocessor and microcontroller, and also discuss the syllabus of application of microprocessor and microcontroller. Okay, so the first course objective is to study and understand various microcontrollers and embedded system. Second, to understand the design parameters of embedded system applications. Third is to study and impart different tools for embedded system and IoT application design. Course outcome. So means after the successful completion of this course, student will be able to demonstrate the principle of embedded system and microcontroller. Design the second course outcome is design the interfacing of devices and peripherals. Third is develop programming for application, develop real-time applications. Fourth is make use of Arduino controller for designing of embedded applications. Fifth is design and develop different embedded system and IoT applications. So these are the course outcomes. Now we will discuss syllabus. So first unit consists of embedded system as well as microcontroller. So embedded system, introduction to embedded system, requirements and components of embedded system, design process in embedded system. Second part is microcontrollers, introduction to microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller, architecture of 8051, data types and directives, flag bits, PSW register, register bank and stack. Second unit is assembly language programming, in which there are various instructions that we will study, that is jump, loop and call instructions, IO port programming, addressing modes, arithmetic and logical instructions and programs, data types and time delays, interfacing to external memory. Third unit is again based on the programming, that is timer and counter, interrupts, serial communication, serial IO and programming tools. Then interfacing with 8051. So it is ADC and DAC interfaces. ADC means analog to digital converter, DAC means digital to analog converter. ADC and DAC interfaces for microcontrollers. Real time interfacing with LED, keypad, LCD display, sensors interfacing. Sensors may be LDR, IR, PIR, GSM, GPS, GPRS, Bluetooth. Then Arduino application. Fourth unit is based on Arduino application. Introduction to Arduino. Then serial communication and timer, control design using Arduino, real time interfacing with LED, LCD and sensors. Then unit 5 is embedded IoT application. So introduction to IoT, design and perform different embedded system and IoT applications, robotic, industrial automation and healthcare. Okay, so these are the IoT applications. So that is the part of unit 5. Textbooks are Mohammad Ali Majdi, the 8051 microcontroller and embedded system using assembly and C. So, and second is Mohammad Ali Majdi, ARM assembly language programming. Third is Raj Kamal, microcontrollers, architecture, programming, interfacing and system design, which is of Pearson Education India. Okay, so this is regarding application of microprocessors and microcontrollers. So thank you.